tonight for the third time. And every time I see her, she's looking so fine. And I'd like to know why, oh why. The next time when I see her, I think I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna tell her I think you're shining.